He says, "Hey."
Yeah, I mean, I see him up there on the steps. All the
Yeah,
way
he's
back.
all the way over here. How the hell is that happening? Oh, everyone is moving for me. Look, this is crazy. He's all the way over there.
He said if he does some damage, he's here.
Don't do any damage. He's gonna die.
Ooh, getting some server lagging in chat now.
Oh shit, pulled. Oh no. Bro, he's actually fighting. He might be dead.
No.
Oh shit, my chain landing went all the way over there.
Your chain healing is hitting him.
Look.
What the fuck?
What the
That's
fuck?
great.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
that's wild. Clip that shit. Are you streaming?
Recording though.
Click on him and try to heal him. Does it say out of range?
Yeah, he's out of range.
But he could get a chain heal if you chain heal off his... that's funny.
Yeah, he's flagging.
He's got the buffs too. He's got Wind Fury too, he said. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude. We're going? What the fuck?
It's the last boss, unless you guys are doing Gas Ranker.
Yeah, they
But you
have
gotta get
Mallet
that
too.
item off that chick. Oh shit, it ain't oh, he's no damage taken right now, that's why.
He's
He ain't
damaging.
bouncing anymore.
He's damaging him.
You need to take damage though to see if the chain heal bounces.
Yeah.
The Sun Fury reigns supreme. Feel the fury.
Bro, you see his energy going? He's killing him. Do I take that over them? They're fucking rogues, man. Why do they want screen? Fuck, they both need it.
Embrace.
Out! Startle brat!
I know that's like Feral Druid. Like Prebus. Embrace of the Lycan.
Dude, you have to be fucking group H shaman, you got infinite